Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is all set to brief a parliamentary panel on Operation Sindoor and current situation with Pakistan today at 4 p.m. This will be the first such briefing by government officials to a parliamentary panel post the Pahalgam attack. Divya, in fact, this committee is chaired by Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, is expected to show support to Misri on handling the India-Pakistan crisis. So certainly a significant meeting that is scheduled today.
That's right. Remember, this really comes after the centre announced that 7 all-party delegation of MPs who represent India's diplomatic action against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. This is the first time that a top government official will be appearing before a parliamentary panel to brief about that post-Pahalgam situation in the country. We have our colleague Aishwarya Jain joining us to get us more on this. Aishwarya, of course, Vikram Misri expected to brief the panel about sending 7 delegations to the 32 countries and the European Union in the next 3 weeks to campaign against Pakistan's sponsorship for cross-border. What all can be expected during that briefing?
Well, it is at 4 p.m. when Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri would be briefing the External Affairs panel at the Parliament. It is, of course, on the backdrop of Pahalgam terror attack. And remember, Vikram Misri, the Foreign Secretary of India, was one who had played a key role in representing India across the globe as far as the press conferences are concerned of the Indian government during the Operation Sindoor, and also how India isolated Pakistan on different fronts. Remember that first press conference after the CCPA, which decided several of the decisions as far as Indus Water Treaty abeyance is concerned, or the Pakistani diplomats being sent away, or the Atari Wagah border suspension. It is all Vikram Misri who presented the government in front of the people and announced that in a press conference. Since then, it was, of course, Vikram Misri who was trolled online as well. But this is an important briefing. First time from a government official to a parliamentary standing committee on external affairs, and he would be presenting India's current situation and how India is cornering Pakistan on every front. What's the relation of India-Pakistan diplomatically? All that will be presented to a panel which is led by Dr. Shashi Tharoor, who is a chairperson of the Standing Committee for External Affairs. Remember, it is also at a time when the government has decided to send different delegations across the world to represent India and to isolate Pakistan as far as India's stance against terrorism is concerned. It is very important to see what will be India's perspective as far as how India is going in the near future to isolate Pakistan, and India making it very clear that if there is any talks with Pakistan, then that will only be on terrorism and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir.